All right. Now let's move on to some other important personalities in the lifetime of Holy Prophet. जिसमें number one we have Hazrat Sauda, जो भी Mothers of Faithful में आती हैं. She was the second wife and both were aged 50. She was also recently widowed and had returned from Abyssinia, and she accompanied the Prophet for the farewell pilgrimage as well, जो कि हिज्जत al-Wada था. Zainab bint Khuzaimah, she was twice widowed and also an early convert to Islam. She lost her husband at the Battle of Ohud and married the Prophet in 5 after Hijrat and died within 3 months of marriage. Salma was also one of the earliest converts, married to Prophet's cousin, lost Prophet's cousin at Ohud में उनकी death हो गई थी while she was expecting a child. She was the first woman to migrate to Medina and Prophet married in 626, narrated 400 traditions and accompanied him at Khaybar as well, Hudaybiyah, and the final Hajj as well. Hazrat Juwairiya bin Harith was daughter of the chief of Al-Mustaqil tribesmen and were set free because of her, and she died in 50 after Hijrat. Ramla bint Abu Sufyan, the daughter of Abu Sufyan, titled Habiba, earliest convert, she migrated twice, lost her husband in Abyssinia, and King Nigre, who enacted marriage with Prophet and gave dowry on his behalf. Dowry matlab jahez कहते हैं, ठीक है. Safiya bint Huyay, she belonged to Nadir, Banu Nadir, widowed at Khaybar, married Prophet on return to Medina, and Prophet greatly loved her, wished he well instead of her, and died in 50 after age 60. Maimuna bint al-Haris was sister-in-law of Hazrat Abbas and was the last marriage of the Holy Prophet. She also freed many slaves and died in 51 after Hijrah. Qasim, Abdullah, and Ibrahim. Ye sare kaun the? They were the three sons of the Holy Prophet that you should know. The name is very important. And they all three died in infancy. First two were born to Khatija and Ibrahim was born to Maria. ठीक है, जो तीन बेटे थे कासिम और अब्दुल्ला, ये हजरत खतीजा was the mother of both of them, and हजरत इब्राहिम की मदर मारिया थी. एंड तीनों की डेथ हो गई थी at 8 months and 9 months की एज पे. Zainab was the eldest daughter and the second child after Qasim. She was born 10 years before Islam and was married to Abdullah bin Rabi. Sent a necklace to free her husband after Badr, and Prophet cried when he saw the necklace that belonged to Khadija. Her husband was set free, and a Zainab was sent to Medina, and she reunited with husband after his conversion. Hazrat Ruqayya, the second daughter, married to Utbah, son of Abu Lahab, was divorced during persecutions, married to Usman, and the first woman to migrate to Abyssinia. Died during the Battle of Badr, and Usman tended to her. Kulsum was a third daughter of Holy Prophet, married to Taiba bint Abu Lahab, जिन्होंने इनको divorce कर दिया था, and she migrated with her stepmother Sauda. लेकिन हजरत उस्मान से बाद में इनकी शादी हो गई थी after death of Ruqayya, who died when Prophet and her husband were on the Tabuk expedition. Hazrat Abbas Kadhib Wahi did not accept Islam till the conquest of Makkah and gave to, but लेकिन उनने family के होने पे नाते Holy Prophet को protection पूरी दी थी. Participated in the conquest, Hunain, visit of Taif, and defended the Prophet and rallied Muslims at the Hunain as well. मतलब पूरी army भी इन्होंने lead की थी. His descendants founded Abbasid dynasty. The father of Abdullah bin Abbas was a great scholar as well. Hazrat Jafar Konthi was the son of Abu Talib and brother of Ali, led the second migration to Abyssinia and explained Islam to Negus and was martyred at the Battle of Muta as the second commander. उसके बाद मुआज बिन जबल accepted Islam at second planet. इनको मुआज basically नाम है मुआज, ऐसे पेपर में लिखा होता है. Muaz bin Jabal accepted Islam at the second pledge of Aqaba, brought many influential people to Islam as well, and he learned Quran so well that the Prophet named him one of the four to learn Quran from. कि अगर किसी को कुरान सीखना है तो मुआज बिन जबल से सीखे, and named him as an expert in law issues as well. यमन में इनको as an ambassador भी अपॉइंट किया गया था during all caliphates as well. Abu Sufyan ibn Harb was the leader of Banu Umayyah and a fierce opponent of Prophet. His caravan caused the Battle of Badr, led Makkans in the Battle of Ohud and Trench, and he also tried to restore the Treaty of Hudaybiyah and became Muslim just before the conquest of Makkah. Prophet declared his house safe during the conquest and became a loyal Muslim. कि जिसने भी अबू सुफियान और अबू जहल were the bitterest enemy of Islam, लेकिन जब अबू सुफियान ने इस्लाम एक्सेप्ट कर लिया था ड्यूरिंग द कॉन्क्वेस्ट ऑफ मक्का, तो प्रॉफिट ने भी कहा था कि जो जो अबू सुफियान के घर में शेल्टर ले लेगा वो सेफ रहेगा. And he became a loyal Muslim, lost an eye at Taif and lost the other at Yarmouk. Governor of Hijaz, Najran, under Abu Bakr, father of Amir Muawiyah.